and welcome back to Google Earth Guru. This time I want to start a brand new series, Google Earth for Teachers. Google Earth is a fantastic platform to disseminate information on. Now, this isn't going to work for all teachers or for all subjects. Obviously, if you're a math teacher or a chemistry teacher, this is not the platform for you. But if you're in the social sciences, obviously history and geography, this is fantastic. But also think outside the box. If you're an English teacher, maybe not your everyday choice to disseminate information, but if you're covering a book that is a biography or even historical fiction, this would be a great way to show what's going on in that book. So what I have found, especially if you're a history teacher, let's take a look real quick. So here we've got Google Earth. And if you're a history teacher, you may not want this modern day imagery of the earth. This picture was taken back in, let's see, probably within the last few years. Date of this imagery right here was 2019. If you're covering pre-Civil War colonial America, this isn't going to work. So I'm going to do a few series here, probably 3 of them, to give you resources to show the map background you want. This first one is if you're teaching a subject at a macro view, maybe like European exploration and colonization. What I have over here is a KMZ called Bluemarble. Let me pull up the Word document. Bluemarble.kmz. And you can do a Google search and find this pretty easy, or you can email me and I'll send this to you. I also have a Blackmarble Kmz, and I'll cover both of these. What Bluemarble is when I turn this on, give it a second, you'll see, there we go. This is like a vegetation layer of the world where you don't have maybe the geopolitical boundaries displayed, just vegetation. And notice, this one is January. So you can see the snow is pretty far south, and the areas that aren't snow is pretty brown. But if I change it to, say, July, now you can see the snow is retreated way far north, and everything's much greener. And if I zoom out, it covers the entire world. So if you want to show, European colonization of Africa and the Berlin Conference, it's a much cleaner surface. But this only works at the macro view. If you want to teach something at a micro view, this imagery starts to get very, very blurry and not good for that. But that's why I'm going to show some other videos coming up. So this is one view that you can have, is Bluemarble. And then you can choose the time of the year that you think looks best for what you want to teach. I also have in here what's called Blackmarble. And this is a view from space, give it a second, at night. So you see all the lights. This is really good to show population densities and where there's industrialization and where there's not. So over here in Asia is very interesting. I always like looking at the difference between North and South Korea. Pretty stark difference there. So I have these 2 layers for you, Bluemarble and Blackmarble. 2 ways to get these layers. One, just Google them, just as you see them on the map or on the screen. And also, you can just email me, and I'll leave my email in the description box, and I'll send you this base map. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to show other resources, how to use the Library of Congress and the USGS Topo View to get more detailed micro view maps for your background. So there you have it. Give me an email, map your world. Thanks for watching.